Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel. Today I will like to show you the way how you can cut a picture into 5 types or 5 times only with your iPhone. You don't need the Photoshop, you can do it with your mobile phone. The application that you need is only 2 applications on your iPhone, which is the Instagram and Photos. Now open the Photos and you just need to find the picture that you want to cut here. I will like to do with the the cat. I will do the cat here. So let's just pick one of them. I will let you do this. So if you want to cut this cat into the 5 pieces of cat, or yeah, so you just need to go tap and hold into the cat picture here, so something will be glazed. Now you just need to tap into the copy. Go open your home screen, open the Instagram, and then you just need to swipe or access the Instagram story. Swipe your screen into the right side to access the Instagram story. Now you just need to tap randomly. You can do with the black color here, or if you want to change it into other color, just go with draw, and then you just need to pick what color that you want to use. I will let you use the soft color, so I will let you do with this. Now tap into the screen and hold, and you already have this background. Just perfect. Go click done. Go click this alphabet and then type into the cursor and paste. Now you already have this cat is in your screen. You can do it portrait or landscape. I want to do portrait today. So here I want to place the first cat in the top side. I want to make a bigger one. The next thing is get the second cat. Tap the cursor and click paste. Now today I would like to use only the hat, so I will to zoom it and then just drag it into the left side. I want to the face only pop up on the screen. Now the third cat, just the same. Open the alphabet, click the cursor and paste. Next I will like to use the tails. This is the third part, and we still have 2 left. Just do the same. Now I will let you just put the small one here, and it could be the last, the 5th piece, and I will let you have it a little bit like this. My bad, it could be deleted. Perfect. Now we already have 5 cats in the screen. Go click the 3 small dot and save it. Now you just need to back into your photo library, and here is the result. So that's for today's tutorial, guys. Hopefully you enjoy it, and let's meet again into other tutorial.